Hello, my name is Beata from Beata Aleksiejuk language channel. New section, it's Polish tongue twister, really difficult Polish sentences. This sentence mean king, whose name was Karol, bought necklace in the coral color for the queen, and the name of the queen was Karolina. Król Karol Kupił Królowej Karolinie Korale Koloru Koralowego. 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 And this is everything for this video. Subscribe to my channel. Below in the description of the video you can see useful links. I invite also to comment this video. Tell me a little bit about the difficult tongue twisters in your language. And I hope after watching this video you can repeat the sentence. See you in the next class.